Hello knitters, I'm here to demonstrate how to use the necklace for Portuguese knitting. Remember, if you use Portuguese style of knitting, you're going to want to tension your yarn either around your neck, around the knitting pin, or one of those necklaces, those beautiful necklaces invented and made by a student of mine, Brenda. She lives in Maryland and she makes beautiful designs. She owns Silver Siren Designs. She makes beautiful jewelry as well, but the Portuguese knitting necklaces she made especially for this style. So I want to demonstrate that to you. Remember to give me a like on the video, okay? And subscribe to my channel. And check my website if you want to see different necklaces and different materials. She has a variety of them and they're all beautiful. Today I'm going to show you the one that I'm wearing right now. It's called the Spiral. And this is for one color yarn. Later on I'm going to demonstrate another sample for two colors. Okay? So what you would do is adjust the necklace, put the necklace on and adjust its adjustable cord here. You can make it tighter and closer to your neck, or you can make it far away from your neck. I feel that the higher the necklace is, the more tension it gives to the yarn. It might be just my imagination, but that's how I feel it. And you're going to put the yarn on this hook on the spiral here. And everything else you already probably know how I do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna demonstrate here how I do my knitting. I am knitting and purling. You can see that the necklace moves a little bit, but that doesn't bother me at all. Actually, the necklace is a pretty good way to know if you're pulling a yarn too tight or not, because if you pull the yarn too tight, it's gonna pull on your neck and you're going to feel it. If you give just the right tension, the necklace doesn't bother at all. It just moves a little bit, but it's super light. It's made of aluminum. She has some also made out of copper. And here it is, how I use for one color. Okay, now let's suppose I want to use a necklace, a different necklace that serves for two color knitting. So I'm going to take this one away and I'm going to make it bigger so it goes over my head. And I'm going to put another necklace. This is the helix. Okay, if you buy the helix, it serves as a necklace again, double purpose necklace and knitting. You can use the helix for one color. If you place the yarn like that, it's balanced and you are using the necklace for two colors for one color only. Okay, or let me show you how I would join a second color to my work and pretend that I have two colors going. So now I have a mustard color and I have a maroon color here. You're going to put the maroon color on one side and you're going to put the mustard color, there goes my ball of yarn, on the other side. Okay, so now you are using the two color knitting and I'm going to use both colors as I knit. The same way I use two pins, one on each shoulder. I'm using the necklace for the two colors. And I'm going to show you here, like take it away from the necklace and show you that I'm knitting here with two colors. My yarn is coming in front. There you go. Okay, So the idea is the same. I'm not teaching you how to use two colors. I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the necklace. I hope you would consider this other option. It's beautiful, it's very practical, and I'll see you in the next video.